What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix battle.net slow download speed and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into the step. So first one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the task manager, and you have to click on the task manager and right now expand this app. Now from here we need to navigate to, over here you can see we have options like startup apps, we have options like details. Click on the details over here. And right now from here you can see the battle.net exe, right click on this one. Now from here go to set priority, should be changed into high, and that is going to ask you to change priority and go for yes. Now afterwards you have to check. Next one is all about, what we need to do is just go over here, search for the control panel, and you have to click on this one. And right now navigate to the network and internet, go for network and sharing center, and right now navigate to the Wi-Fi over here. You can just click on the change adapter settings, select the Wi-Fi, right click on this one and go for the properties, and right now select internet protocol versions over here. Go for the use the following DNS server right now. The first one is 8 and you have to give the value 888. Go for 8, 8, 4 and 4. That's what you have to try. And now once you set this value, you just need to close this as well, and you have to close this and you have to check. So still if you're having the trouble, we just need to go over here, search for the device manager, and you have to click on this one. And right now what we need to just go over here, the network adapters, and go over here, right click on this one and right click and go for update driver. Now from here you have to search for update driver, search automatically for drivers and make sure the drivers are up to date. Now we need to close this, and next one is all about, what we need to just go over here, search for the CMD, and you have to click on run as administrator and go for yes. Right now we need to type ipconfig and put a space slash flash DNS, and you have to press enter, and that's what you have to try. Next one, we need to add the battle.net on the Windows security. So just go over here, search for the control panel, and you have to click on the control panel, and right now go for the system and security, Windows Defender Firewall, go for allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Keep scrolling down and you have to check whether the battle.net is added. So right now the battle.net is not added, so just go over here. What I'm going to do is just go over here, right click on the open file location. Now from here we have to copy the path of the app over here, copy this, and you have to close this. Now we need to go over here, click on over here in the change setting, go for allow another app, go to the browse and remove this, and you have to paste the path of the battle.net which you copied, set the battle.net, go for open and add it. Once it is added, make sure that you have to put a check on both the boxes, private and public. Now we need to close this and we have to check. That's what you have to try. That's what you have to try. And now the last step is all about cross-check whether any kind of VPN is connected. So just go to the settings and navigate to the network and internet. So if your VPN is connected, just disconnect the VPN, and that's what you have to try. And also parallelly, just go back over here in the battle.net. Now over here, go to the profile icon over here. Now go to the settings over here. Now from here we have to scroll down and navigate to the download. Make sure everything is being kept here blank and go for done. And now we have to check, and next time you can try downloading from the battle.net, you'll not be having any issue. That's what you have to try, and I hope this video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.